Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to Tom's Garage. Today, we are working on a HRX217. Yay! It just needs annual service. So this is how we do it. All right. All right. First thing let's do is let's check the Earl. This one's got the auto choke, GCV200 engine. Perfect level, but it's dark. We're going to change it. We're going to fire it up, get it warm, then we'll drain it. Tip it over to drain it, sharpen its blades, spark plug, check its air filter. That's basically it. See the state of his air filter. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that's in nice shape. Okay, let's see, the choke is working. Fuel is on. He's got fuel in it. I don't know how stale it is because it's probably been sitting all winter. Probably. All right, let's pull, see if she'll crank and run. Hey, y'all. She seems to run pretty good. A little puff of smoke there. That's probably been sitting all winter. All right, now we got her warm. A little warm. Grab your oil draining pan. Yay! And we'll go over here and drain the oil. And while it's tipped over, we'll sharpen its blades. I can actually get to the blade sharpener now. But I've got my carport back next inside the shop. I got places to stick everything. I'll show you what I got. In the carport. Cover the camera. I don't want it to get wet. I got the battery door open. Ooh yeah, look at all that stuff. I got four tractors sitting there. Ooh, a whole shed full of push mowers, tillers and blowers and mowers. Tillers, mowers, and blowers. I'll wipe my feet off here. I'll tell you, when it's raining outside, in and out, man, you will track water all over this floor. I should have never have painted it, because otherwise the water would have just seeped into the concrete. Now it just sits on top. Aggravating. All right, where were we? That's enough rambling, Dobie. Get back to work. That job takes 20 minutes. Hey. All right, we'll let that drain. Get his blades off. Everything seems to work good. Self-propelled, blades engaged good. Everything good. Just gonna do an annual service. Oil change, spark plug, sharpen his blades. He don't even need a new air filter. Pretty good. I got a little nick right there. Well, I can't grab both of them. This blade here is more narrow. I'm trying to pick it up with the finger I cut off on a table saw a few years ago. Can't feel my finger. Yeah, let's put the gasket back on that thing. I ain't gonna sit here and sharpen the blade with the gasket off. Isn't it good? Yeah, let's throw a bunch of sparks with the gasket in this. All of a sudden I feel something warm behind me and this thing's blazed up. Matter of fact, let's roll it further back. There we go. There we go. All right, let's throw an edge on these blades. I ain't scared. Looks like somebody's done this by hand. They got the angle off just a little bit. Pretty good. Back to the mower. Back to the mower. I'll tell you what, I gotta get used to having Mother's van back up front. Every time I glance over, I think somebody's pulled in. I ain't used to seeing a vehicle out there. That's all right though, I got my carport back. Proud of that. Proud of that. I don't have to trip over everything in the shop here. Without having everything piled in here, I don't get as antsy because I don't, you know, when everything's piled in here, you know, I feel like I've got too much to do. I don't get as anxious, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I don't feel like I need to be in that big of a hurry. Okay. Oil is finished dribbling. We'll stand her back up. Yep, and that muffler's hot. this over here out of the way. All right, let's put some oil in it. You put your oil in it. Hang loose. All right, grab some oil. Grab yourself some oil. All right, we'll let that kind of settle on down. While it settles on down, we're going to swap this spark plug. That's a good idea. Okay. Grab the spark plug, wrench in the spark plug. Yeah. Thank you. It's got a BPR 6ES in it. I guess that's what I'll put back in it. I guess that's what I'll put back in it. Getting low on these things again. Okay. Well, what I do in this part, there it is. Fill the crush sleeve crush and let it come to a stop. All right. All right, let's see. Let's go back over here and change the, or check the oil level. Let's change the oil level. On these Hondas, you're not supposed to screw it in. So you just take it and touch it. By golly, that's perfect. Just a little bit over full, that's good. That's good. Held right out about a half a quart. A hair more. Okay, oil's good, blazer's sharp. Let's clean the air filter. What did I do with it? There it is. Grab her, Angelica's blower. Give it a little puff. Good enough. Stens brand. Okay. I believe you. Like it had duct tape on it. Wonder why. It seems to go on there and snap in pretty good. Tell you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna flush that fuel tank out. Get rid of all that gas in there. I think it's probably got some stale gas in it. It's got some stale gas in it. Whew. Grab my little turkey baster. Uh-oh, it's pouring out the carburetor vent. I got it too high. Is it still pouring out? Make sure to get that air filter wet. Nope. All right, let's get all this bad old gas out of here. She's mad now. She ain't gonna want to crank because I got it all tipped over that way. Yeah, she's a little yellow. She's a little yeller. Take it outside and let it idle for a few minutes. Burn whatever's left in that bowl. Looked like it had a little bit of something in it. All right. All right. Yeah, it has some kind of little particles in it. Yeah, look at there. It looks like it's turning yeller. Let's grab some gas and put some fresh gas in it. Fresh gas. Grab a glass clamp. I just love this little pump. Going easy on my poor old shoulder, I tell you. Ooh, that thing pumps faster than you think it does. Almost a full tank again. I'll just hang this back up over there. Okay, oil, spark plug, clean his air filter, sharpen the blades. And the rain's about over now. Take it out there and give it a good washing off. So it don't smell like gas when I give it back to him. All right. All right, let's see if she'll crank. I know she's mad at me for having it laid over. Hi-ya! Well, all right, boys and girls, that's a HRX217 Honda push mower. Nope, that was an HRX, not an HRN. Whoever caught that, congratulations. Let's carry on. Getting it ready, full service for the springtime. It is springtime in the city. Well, y'all be good, boys and girls. Love y'all. Need me, holler. Eat your vegetables. Be good. Love y'all, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. See y'all.